Hello everyone. Today I'm here with a new topic of Nostro and Vostro account. Hope you will like it. I will share the basic concepts that will help you in your short notes and also in solving the MCQs. So let's start. As I always come with some plan, so my today's plan is Nostro and Vostro account. I will define them. Then why such accounts are needed and what is the role of treasury in maintaining such accounts and methods to monitor these accounts. What are the methods that treasury use to monitor such accounts? Now, now we check the Nostro and Vostro account, meaning and derivation of term. These terms were derived from Latin language. Nostro mean ours, Vostro mean yours. Look at the definition. A nostro is an account held by a local bank with another bank in a foreign country in the currency of that country. We take the example. Local bank is A, B, C bank in Pakistan. They want to open an account in USA. They approach to a bank XYZ bank in USA and request them please open our account in your bank. XYZ bank will accept the request of ABC bank and they will open account for ABC bank. Such accounts will be called nostro in the books of account of local bank. And the same account will be called as vostro account in books of account of XYZ USA bank. Okay. Now the attributes of this account. We check the attributes of Nostro account that I already explained you. Maintained by Nostro accounts are maintained by local bank that I gave you example of ABC bank. Maintained in foreign country, I told you in USA XYZ bank. Currency of account, foreign countries currency. Pakistani bank is opening account in USA, so USA currency is US dollar. So such accounts will be opened in US dollar. Vostro account. Vostro means your account with us. In this case, such a Nostro account is called Vostro account in the books of the correspondent bank. This bank address the XYZ bank and say our account with you. And this bank address the local bank and say your account with us. Now we see the Nostro account. Now when a local bank will open account with the foreign bank, they have to make some initial deposit. Now local bank will purchase US dollar and they will make initial deposit and open Nostro account. For example, they bought 300,000 US dollar and make the initial deposit. So Nostro account will be maintained like this. Now, now we check what is the requirement for Nostro and Vostro account. Why banks need Vostro and Nostro accounts? These accounts are maintained for the settlement of international trade transaction and foreign exchange transactions. We understand it with the help of a diagram. There are two countries, one is Pakistan and the other is USA. A company in Pakistan import goods and services, let's say of $100,000 from Haribo.co, that is in USA. Now Haribo.co has to make payment to Haribo.co. What such transaction will be settled? Arib.co has to use banking channel for the payment of transaction. Now Arib.co, first he will approach to a bank in their country that deal in foreign exchange, and they will ask them or request them for purchase of foreign currency in exchange of PKR. The other request that he will make, that please remit the same amount to Haribo.co in USA. To remit the same amount to Haribo.co. What ABC Bank will do? ABC Bank will sell the 100,000 US dollar to Arib.co, but this payment will not made in hands of Arib.co. He will sell 100,000 to Arib.co, that is making a remittance by TT to Haribo.co in USA via the Nostro account. How? ABC Bank will approach to XYZ Bank and they will say that we are maintaining our Nostro account with you. There is a balance and please deduct $100,000 from our account and make payment to Haribo.co. Now XYZ Bank, what it will do? It will deduct the $100,000 from ABC Bank account and will make payment to Haribo.co. So the transaction will be settled like this. Like Harib.co will approach to a bank and ABC Bank already have their account, Nostro account with XYZ Bank. ABC Bank will ask bank, please deduct my account with $100,000 and make payment to Haribo.co. So I am telling you that such transactions will be done by remittance by TT, telegraphic transfer, and such transaction will reduce the amount of the Nostro account, or we can say they will reduce the balance of the Nostro account. Now cash position in Nostro account. First I showed you that they purchased US dollar and open Nostro account, they were $300,000. But now they made a payment and remittance by TT. They sold US dollar of 100,000. Now they will debit $100,000 from the Nostro account. The remaining balance will be $200,000. Now we check the role of Treasury in maintaining these accounts. First of all, they open the Nostro account with foreign banks and they also deposit the initial amount. Same as when we open our account in any bank required from us the initial deposit. Same in the Nostro account, and when a local bank open their account with foreign bank, they need to make a initial deposit. Such deposit will be provided by Treasury. On the other hand, supervises and monitor the Nostro account operation transaction. What kind of transaction being done in the Nostro account, all will be monitored by the Treasury. Now we need to check the methods. What kind of methods Treasury use to monitor the accounts activity? Number one is internal control. Internal control is that Treasury dealers start their day by looking at the currency position. They check on the basis of the currency position, they decide whether to provide sufficient balance in the Nostro account, or if there is surplus balance in the Nostro account, whether we need to lend it to any other bank or branch that has insufficient fund. The decision will be made on the basis of the currency position. Okay. The other is reconciliation of Nostro account. Reconciliation is done by back office of Treasury. Why they need to reconcile the Nostro account? To avoid any kind of fraud. and it is done on the basis of the account statement that are provided by the correspondent bank. Correspondent bank, I already told you, foreign bank. Foreign bank. Now, one account statement is prepared by the local bank and the other is prepared by the correspondent bank. Now they match the transactions with the both statement to avoid any kind of possible fraud. Thank you. Thank you for watching my video. If you like it, please like and subscribe my channel and please comment in the comment box.